In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Trello boards. Whether you're organizing a small team or managing a large project, exporting your Trello boards can provide a backup, share details with stakeholders, or store important information offline. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to carry out this task efficiently. Let's start by heading over to Trello. To do this, you can open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Trello is a user-friendly platform, and once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in. Trello offers several options to log you in conveniently. You can use your email address and password, or you might prefer using the single sign-on options, such as Google account or Microsoft. Choose the option that works best for you, and you'll soon be on your Trello dashboard. Once logged in, take a moment to identify the board you wish to export. This is important, as you might have several boards dedicated to different projects. Navigate to your desired board. This is where you'll begin the export process. Now, look for the ellipsis or three-dot menu, which is typically located in the top right corner of your chosen board. This menu is your gateway to a range of options regarding your board. Clicking on the ellipsis will display a drop-down menu with several choices. Here, you'll need to focus on the option labeled Print, Export, and Share. It's a handy feature that Trello provides, allowing users to efficiently share or store board information. Once you've clicked on Print, Export, and Share, additional options will appear. These include a link to the board which you can share, the ability to print the board's data, export to CSV, export as JSON, and even show QR code for quick access via mobile devices. Each option serves a different purpose. The export to CSV is useful if you want a table format of your Trello data that you can use in programs like Excel. The export as JSON option provides a more comprehensive data file suitable for developers who may need raw data. Take a moment here to weigh which format will best suit your needs. Once you've determined what format you need, simply select it, and you'll begin downloading the data onto your device. Depending on your board's size, this process could take a little time, so be patient. Once the download is complete, you'll have a snapshot of your Trello board's current state, safely stored on your computer or external storage. And there you have it. You now know how to export Trello boards effectively. This process is an invaluable tool for ensuring your project data remains safe and accessible, regardless of what the future holds for your digital workspace.